Hey dudes and dudettes, here with another loadout game, and we're going into another jackhammer. So, using our setup, and I'm gonna go back here and lay mines on the base. Protect. I love making that noise. I didn't even notice I was doing it, and now you're going to be on the YouTube video hearing me going blub 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 when I do my mines, and I actually do that in real life. Oh dear. Punchy. I guess he doesn't like fruit oh!
The enemy has stolen the hammer.
Wow, that person knew I had mines there. Oh, I'm still playing with the people who knew, know the way I do things where I lay mines. Oh, did you see that dude? He's gonna shoot down on me, maybe?
You have taken the hammer.
Yeah.
Your hammer has been returned. Successful hammer kill. Your hammer value has increased.
Ooh, he's shooting at me. Someone help! Oh, there's Elementos. Nice. Go away. We don't want none. He's gonna get me.
Successful hammer kill. Your hammer value has increased.
Woof. Heal me. Even though I'm supposed to be the support. Oh, nice. We got two on this.
You have successfully captured the hammer.
How are we supposed to do this? Okay. So it's going to be hard for them to hit them with their own rockets. Now let's jump off the cliff. We're close to getting leveled. Oh, he's wearing the new shirt and the new stuff. Oh, they didn't get it. They didn't get our teleport. Our spawn point.
You have taken the hammer.
Which I'll be explaining in a spawn point in a video soon. Because someone actually asked me what it is. Oh, looky.
Hammer kill. Your hammer value
Ooh, someone's still
has
shooting.
increased. The enemy has
I can hear him
stolen
running.
the hammer.
Oh, did you see it?
Your hammer has
They
been
stole the
returned.
hammer, but they didn't get our mines back there, so they got hit by the mines. Brilliant. We'll have to lay some more, but they'll expect it now. Well, suspect it. And expect it. Oh, we got a kill on this one.
You have successfully captured
Let's lay
the
them
hammer.
mines. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. I'm sorry. The urge to go ploop 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 is maddening. Yep. And then we're gonna go and spawn over there again. And this is basically my my whole strategy.
The
Oh,
enemy has
they saw
stolen
me!
the hammer. Your hammer has been returned.
They saw me! I'm gonna make it.
You have taken the hammer. You dropped the hammer.
They destroyed my
The opposing
teleporter.
hammer has been returned.
But we got another kill. We had a good kill streak there. I'll lay more mines down. Usually they can't hit him if you lay him back here. Yeah. Dude, I'm gonna have if you use this gun. Oh, he's dead. All the mines are gonna set off.
Your hammer has
Three
been returned.
sets of the mines will do it. The 3 sets of 3, but I lay extras. I lay 12 instead of 9. And you just lay them back here in the corner, so they have to step in a little ways. You'll see, they look like tadpole type things, don't they? So I think ploop 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 because they're like little blobs from like Dragon Quest or Dragon Warrior. You know, they look like little blobs, or pour rings from Ragnarok Online. So I'm like ploop ploop ploop. And that's why I do it. You'll get it if you use the gun. We can make it. We gotta set up another teleporter, so we'll have to see where we want it. Sometimes I set it over here because that way they, unless they go over there, they're not gonna look at it, Oh, we're gonna punch this dude to death.
Taken the hammer. Successful, you dropped the hammer.
Oh, come on.
The opposing team's hammer has been returned.
I don't know if my mines have gone off yet. Oh, look, he's up there.
You have taken the hammer. Successful hammer kill. Your successful hammer kill. Your hammer value has increased. Successful hammer kill. Your hammer value has if you drop the hammer.
Oh, I had friggin' 3 or 4 kills, man. They still haven't found the teleporter because they don't go over there. But he's up here. What? I thought it was. Where's he at? He jumped off the edge. Got him. Oh no! That's a mine. Oh, I'm dead.
The opposing team's hammer has been returned.
Look at my little charred body. That's so disgusting. Boop. Boom.
You have taken the hammer. Successful hammer. You dropped the hammer.
All I'm doing is getting kills off the hammer because they're protecting it so hard. But that's good that we're ahead in points. So as long as they keep protecting it. Oh, punch shot. We gotta heal him. Slow down, you. He's healed enough, we'll stop anyone from chasing him.
Your team has captured the hammer. The enemy has stolen the hammer.
Oh,
Your hammer has been returned.
Has stolen the hammer and they came out, so I bet theirs is open. Yep. Oh, what the? Now that gun does damage. And they got my teleport because that's the way our guy went last. Now let's drop our... the urge to say ploop. Ploop, ploop, ploop. Where does he keep all these big gigantic chambers of rockets at? Magic pockets. I always thought that would be cool. Wouldn't it be awesome? Like I remember back in Scooby-Doo with the Harlem Globetrotters, or like in the old Three Stooges cartoon, and multiple other cartoons and stuff, and like the Santa's bag, where Santa can pull anything out of his bag. We dropped a teleporter up there, we'll spawn.
The enemy has stolen the hammer.
I stole the baby, Willow. If you haven't seen Willow, watch Willow. Oh! Oof. Kill. They've got it. And now they don't.
You have returned the hammer.
He is chasing me something fierce.
Successful hammer kill. Your hammer value has increased. You have successfully captured the
Jump
hammer.
off the cliff. I was doing a Jamaican accent there for the jump off the cliff, man. Teleport. I will use a spawn point. Now he knows where we spawn. I was adjusting my headset. Oh, great. He's got me.
Successful hammer kill. Your hammer value has increased. You dropped the hammer. The opposing team's
Oh, isn't
hammer
that
has been
disgusting? Did you see that? My insides went out. This game is so gory sometimes. Oh, they didn't get the spawn point. They were too busy coming after me. Awesome.
You have taken the hammer.
Take your hammer. I don't even want it.
Successful hammer kill. Your hammer dropped the hammer.
You got them both. 2,478 in this match. Because I just keep... They keep protecting their darn hammer and I get like 1 or 2 kills when I grab a hammer and then nothing.
You have taken the hammer.
Oh, hey, he jumped off the cliff. He couldn't bear the thought of me having the hammer. They got my teleporter there. Oh, we'll go back and set the mines on our spawn point.
The opposing team's hammer has been returned.
Oh, hello, little turret. Boy, that thing overheats fast. It's like, if you haven't played it, Bard's Tale, you can sometimes get it on Steam for sale or GOG on sale, I think, and or Humble Bundle. Yeah, Humble Bundle had it. It's called Bard's Tale, and it's got Carrie Elwes from Princess Bride, the Dread Pirate Roberts from Princess Bride. He's the main voice actor for it, and he plays the Bard, and it's a really tongue-in-cheek, funny RPG-type experience
The enemy has
game.
stolen the hammer.
And you have to play it sometime. It's pretty unique and pretty awesome. But there's a character, you get little characters in it.
Successful hammer kill. Your hammer value has increased.
And one of the characters, sorry, I'm serious trying to not die. One of the characters is a healer that heals your character, and she says she's a fat old hag witch, and she's like healing. And so ever since then, you know, in games that we have, oh, they've got the hammer. Wow. Ever since then, me and X-Room have, well, my brother X-Room Mod, have been like, every time we play a healer character, we'll be like, healing! You know, because it's so hilarious in the game, and there's tons of things, like when we see a trap, in a game, we'll be like, it's a trap laddie, because there's a guy, specific summonable character in it that is purposely sets out to find traps, and it does a funny animation, like if it's a squash trap, he'll get in between it and hold it open for you, and then as soon as you walk through it, crushes him flat. And it's really awesome. And he usually goes, if there's a trap nearby, he'll be like, it's a trap laddie, and it's pretty funny. I actually have it, so hopefully sometime we'll do a video on it. Oh man. Healing.
Successful hammer kill. Your hammer value has increased.
I'm dead. Jump! Jump! Go, 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 go! Yes! I'm a little safer. But that dude's following me. Yes, police, I'd like to report a stalker. Stalker. That's another game I want to do some videos for, is Stalker. I really enjoyed that game. I think we got it. I think we got it.
You have won. You have successfully captured the hammer.
Da 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 da. Yeah, they had some levers that bites.
Vic.
Almost getting there. And then, like 2 more matches if we win leveled. Okay, well, take care, be safe, and be cool to each other.